Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and we're growing tadpoles at home which will eventually turn into frogs. So today we're going to talk about the set and where we got the tadpoles from. So let's get started. So we got this set from Amazon, from a nature gift store. So actually they mailed it to us. They mailed the set first and then they gave a certificate. Which we ordered 2 tadpoles, and then it came in a white box, so we got 2 tadpoles. And so you're probably asking, like, do you have 2 or 1? We have 1 right now because one of them died, and so we named them Elsa and Messi. So like, yeah, but Elsa died sadly, and so this set came with this container and this cap that you can open this. And so it also came with this plastic green plant, which is harmless to the tadpoles. So we just put it in. And it also came with tadpole food, which is made out of algae and plant. And here we have some tap water treatment, which is 3 drops per half gallon. So these shells, they didn't come with the set, but we just decided, like, I really love these shells, so we decided to put them inside the tank. And so inside here, this is not spring water, this is tap water. And this is the tadpole itself. We got it 3 weeks ago, actually, the tadpoles, and as you probably saw, it already has the legs, and so that's really cool. So yeah, so let's open the tank. This is tap water, not spring water, so we'll have to add the tap water treatment as I showed. So we're gonna add about 5 drops since it's around half a gallon. 3, 4, 5. There. Now we added the treatment. Now we can add some of the decorations. So the plastic plant, just gently put it like that. And then we also have this palm tree kind of leaf, so we'll just put it in there, just like that. And then we'll put the seashells in, just right there. And right there, just like that. Okay, now we can add 1 pellet of tadpole food. So how often? Yes, you can do it. So I'll tell you how often we can feed them. So 1 pellet per every other day is recommended because, like, we don't want to overfeed the tadpoles, or we don't want them to, like, not eat at all. Now we're gonna release the tadpole. So we're just gonna gently put the water inside. There it goes. So about the second tadpole, about Elsa, the tadpole turned grayish blue. So, like, if please type in the comment chat below. I mean, if you know what happened to that tadpole, because, like, I have no idea, because when I search it up, it just says gray tree frog. And so please type it in the chat if you know what happened to Elsa.
What kind of frog is this frog?
This frog is a leopard frog, and in about 5 or 6 years, when it's a frog, it will turn about this big. That's really cool. They have the legs. You can see the little muscles kind of in the legs.
I see the legs.
And now when they have fully developed legs, right now these are just small legs, but when they have fully darkish kind of developed legs, they're gonna have fully developed lungs too. So we'll also have to put a bigger rock so they can put their feet on and then just, you know, like sit on it so they can breathe. And I think that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, subscribe and leave a like down below. And remember, type in the chat below if you know what happened to Elsa. Stay tuned for update Tadpole 2. So, see you later. Bye.